Hi, hello, namaste, sasriyakal and adab. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great and having a lovely day. So this video is gonna be my random weekend because that's when I'm free in the whole world. And this particular day was a Saturday and I had to rush to a grocery store just to pick some last minute items. I always do that. I always keep it for the last minute and then juggle it up. So this day too I did the same. I headed towards a nearby store to my house to buy some random items, all those shampoos and noodles and washing powder and stuff. So yes, this was happening on that particular day. And yes, I'm done with my basic items and I'm going back, but not to my home. I just thought on the way I got this big bazaar, so I entered this FBB store because it was during Diwali time and I wanted to check if there are any good sale or good piece of clothing which have come for the festive season. So I basically shop from FBB when it comes to ethnic and also my daily tops or jeans. So you can find my wardrobes, 90% of my stuff is from FBB. So this particular day I just went to do window shopping, not with the intention of buying anything. So yes, this is their collections. They have some random, very good prints, very good colors, and I usually buy my plazos also. I am a plazo person, so I usually buy my plazos from here. They have very good colors, and you can mix and match your plazos with the kurtas and crop tops. And yes, I also wanted to buy a pair of footwear which I couldn't find on that particular day over here. Usually there are a lot of footwear collections. And yes, just I'm taking you through the store just to give a glance of the collection that had come during the festive season. November, December and January are the season when there is highest number of sales in any of the clothing stores. So I make it a point, I usually buy my clothings or all these sale wale items during this time because it's all worth it. And this particular day, I think because I went around 11ish am or so, there was not much crowd in the store, because if you go in the evenings it's usually crowded. So I usually goes to the store in the morning so that I can aram se look at what I want and pick up. Otherwise it's become such a mess to be among the crowd and do your shopping. And yes, I just love their nightwear collections also, and they have a very good collection when it comes to scarves, socks, bandanas with variety of patterns. And yes, the fabrics are also very good. Okay, even if you put them for wash, the color won't fade. So I have some tops which are 4 to 5 years old, which I brought from FBB itself, and they are still fresh and use them to work. So yes, as you can see, there are no footwear collections. So I had nothing particular to buy from any other section for time being. I'm just taking you with the time lapse over here. And yes, the kids collections, the shoes are very much, but I couldn't find particular kind of sandals I needed for my office wear. So yes, I couldn't find much over here. The collection was okay. Maybe I'll come some other time after a month or so, then I can pick it up sometimes. And also sometimes what happens is I do not get a particular size which I need, That's another issue when you come to the stores. And yes, the famous kids section. No, I'm not buying anything for the kid, but I just thought let me just go through this colorful, attractive section. And of course, my favorite section, I had to take a glance, that is bed sheets, curtains, all the home decor items. Life has totally changed after motherhood. So yes, they are amazing, I think, prices and great collection. Okay, then comes my main agenda which I came for, that is to buy few more items which I particularly buy from Big Bazaar only. So they have the FBB on the top, and in the ground they have this Big Bazaar. So there are few items which I particularly buy from here, which I do not get in any other stores. So I'll let you know which are those items. Definitely gonna show you. So first item is definitely this, the body wash which I use. So I buy those three packs ka combo. And of course I also, I think, yes, I was just searching for some random Johnson wale powder, and yes, I got it. You have very wide range of pads also. I usually buy my pads also from there, but I already had some stock, so I have not gone to that section. And yes, the colorful containers and dabbas are like such a soothing thing to the eyes. Just look at this color combination. You can just select them color wise, even the dustbins, so that you can coordinate with your whole room, your home. Yes, right now nothing to buy as such, just glance at this. I particularly came to buy the Johnson powder and the body wash from here after searching stores and stores. You have also great variety of crockeries. This is my favorite section. I have a lot of crockeries and mugs from here. And yes, as it was Diwali, the sweets to banta hai. Sweets ka dabbas are everywhere. There was also this offer ki ek ke saath ek free. Why not buy, because we already had Diwali sweets got from all over the neighborhood. So I have not brought anything from there. Just a random walk through the store, so that anything which catches my eye, which I really need it, so I can pick it. Even the garam masalas, sometimes you do not remember at home, but when you see the pack, you remember, oh, this is, I needed one. So you can just randomly pick. So there were, good amount of offers, especially on these biscuits and all, बहुत अच्छे offers थे. They were like एक के साथ एक free and all that. And yes, ice creams too. And yes, I also brought few of these, the ready-made corn packs. I thought just like can munch in the evenings. So I'm just done with my billing, and I'm heading towards my home. And I'm back home, and when I'm back home, it's almost evening time. And that particular day, as I told you, have brought the corn. I thought let me make some of them, and then my usual duty, being a mommy, helping this little one to do his homework. And yes, that's what my evening routine looks at times. Weekend ho ya weekdays, ye to hey, the mommy duties never take a back seat. And yes, I end my weekend or weekend ka Saturdays end करती हूँ ऐसे. So I just hope you like such videos. I do not know whether you like some of these or no, but I thought just let me give it a try. And I hope you like today's video, because that would really mean a lot if you could appreciate what I do, and also share it with your friends, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because that would mean a lot. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.